Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Kathi rolls. We'll start by gathering all our fresh ingredients, from your choice of protein like paneer or chicken to crisp vegetables. Next, we'll prepare the soft, pliable dough for the paratha, which is crucial for a great roll. Then, we'll marinate your protein with a blend of aromatic spices, ensuring every bite is bursting with flavor. This step-by-step guide will help you create perfect Kathi rolls at home. Now let's get to the heart of the Kathi roll, the paratha and the filling. First, roll out your dough into thin circles and cook them on a hot griddle until they're beautifully golden brown and flaky. Then, in a separate pan, sauté your sliced onions and bell peppers until they're tender crisp, adding a wonderful texture. Finally, cook your marinated protein until it's perfectly done and slightly caramelized, ready to be wrapped. Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and hit that like button. It really supports the channel. And speaking of staying cool in the kitchen, why not keep hydrated with an Owala water bottle? It's perfect for those long cooking sessions. You can find the link to the Owala bottle and other fantastic deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. With your paratha and filling ready, it's time for the exciting part, assembly. Start by spreading a thin, even layer of your favorite chutney or sauce across the warm paratha. This adds a burst of flavor and moisture. Next, generously spoon your cooked protein and sautéed vegetables down the center of the paratha. Finally, carefully roll the paratha tightly, ensuring all that delicious filling is securely tucked inside. Enjoy your homemade Kathi roll.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.